Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is gonna be my moving vlog. I just finished working today, started my job with Peloton. My mom packed the cars up. I'll show right now the clips of my empty room and my mom's car, my car. We're all packed up. We're heading to Dallas. Get to move in tomorrow morning. I'm so excited. So you can show how full it is. I think you can see. We are stuffed. Good morning.
Good morning.
It's Saturday. It's move-in day in Dallas, and we're actually on our way to the office right now to get our keys. Dylan's gonna meet us there, and I'll show you the apartment when it's empty and a few clips of us unpacking everything probably.
I'm gonna move these real quick. That's good. We got most of our items. Is that the phone?
Thank you. It's expanding.
Yeah.
It's not full yet, so
Wow, this is living.
this is not gonna work.
Oh, okay.
Never
We
mind.
need a guy to
It's
do
not gonna
this.
work.
We can't get this screw in.
You wanna help us? Wait, Dylan.
Nobody wants to help us. They're not listening.
Nobody wants to help us.
I'm doing
We
the.
are asking for help.
We just need
Nobody
one screw put in on
cares.
each of ours.
I'm doing the drawers. What do you want help for? You said you could do it.
We can't get this one screw
Why do you think I
in.
gave you these? Because if they're backwards, it doesn't matter.
But this won't even go in. We're both struggling. Dylan, go in your closet.
Hey, Michaela.
Yeah?
Kev's gonna do the coffee table. Oh, look, there's the car.
Oh,
I do like
that's
that.
I like it. It's
Wait,
pretty
let me
thick.
see it up close. Hey guys, it's Sunday morning. I'm sitting on the balcony of my new apartment. This is our pool down there. If you listen, you can hear all the fountains. I just went to Starbucks with my mom and went to Whole Foods, got a few things that we get there that we won't get at Trader Joe's. I'll put a little clip right here of the few things that we got. We have our coffee. We got this Daya mac and cheese, vegan, gluten-free, it's so good. These crackers, pretzels, truffle salt popcorn. If you haven't had this, you need to. Plantain chips, of course. Paleo Siete chips, yogurt, and the Ezekiel English muffins, some carrot chips. These Amy's gluten-free, dairy-free burritos are so good if you like rice and beans. And then lastly, the Siete cassava flour. But we're gonna be going to Trader Joe's later to get more stuff like fruits, veggies, and all of that. Today, we are just getting the rest of the stuff done. Going to set up the TV stand and finish just getting everything together. Just enjoying our new pool. You can barely see the sun over there behind the clouds. It's like 4 o'clock and we're trying to get the last bit of sun as much as we can. I I hope y'all enjoyed all those clips of moving and the clips around the apartment when we were getting stuff together, putting all the furniture together and whatnot. But that's the end of this moving vlog. Hopefully within the next month, our couch should be in, my office desk should be in, and all of our decorations should be up, because as you can tell, the walls are blank and we don't have a couch or anything yet. But that and the rug should be coming within the next 2 weeks, I'm pretty sure. But thanks so much for watching. Follow my Instagram for updates, post on my story all the time, and like and subscribe down below. Bye.